Imagine standing in the coldest, driest continent on Earth, Antarctica. Everything around you is white, silent, and frozen in time. Then suddenly you see something shocking. A bright red waterfall flowing from a glacier, staining the pure white ice like blood. This is not a scene from a horror movie. This is real. This is Blood Falls, one of the strangest natural mysteries on our planet. Blood Falls is located in the McMurdo Dry Valleys of Antarctica, one of the harshest environments on Earth. The waterfall flows from the Taylor Glacier and has puzzled scientists since it was first discovered in 1911 by Australian geologist Griffith Taylor. At that time, no one could explain why a glacier, made entirely of ice, was bleeding red. For many years, people believed the red color was caused by algae, similar to how some lakes turn red or green. But Antarctica is too cold and extreme for such life forms to survive easily. The real answer turned out to be far more fascinating. After decades of research, scientists discovered that the red color comes from iron-rich water trapped deep beneath the glacier. This water has been sealed off from sunlight and air for more than 1 million years. When this ancient water slowly escapes through cracks in the glacier and comes into contact with oxygen, the iron reacts with air and rusts, turning the water deep red, just like iron rusting on Earth. So, Blood Falls is not blood at all. It is oxidized iron, flowing like a natural rust waterfall. But the mystery does not end there. What shocked scientists even more was that this water contains living microorganisms. These microbes survive without sunlight, oxygen, or warmth, conditions once thought impossible for life. They use a chemical process involving iron and sulfate to produce energy. This discovery changed how scientists think about life itself. In fact, Blood Falls has become extremely important in the search for extraterrestrial life. If organisms can survive under a frozen Antarctic glacier, similar life forms might exist on icy planets and moons like Mars, Europa, or Enceladus. Another fascinating detail is that the water-feeding Blood Falls never freezes, even in temperatures as low as -60 degrees Celsius. This is because the water is extremely salty, almost 3 times saltier than ocean water. The salt lowers the freezing point, allowing the water to remain liquid beneath the ice. Blood Falls flows very slowly, sometimes stopping for years and then suddenly reappearing. This makes it even more mysterious and difficult to study. Because Antarctica is protected by international law, scientists must follow strict rules, and only limited research is allowed. Despite over a century of study, Blood Falls still holds secrets. Scientists continue to explore how the water moves, how the microbes survive, and what this phenomenon can teach us about Earth's past, and possibly the future of space exploration. Blood Falls reminds us that even in the most lifeless-looking places on Earth, nature can surprise us in unbelievable ways. Beneath the frozen silence of Antarctica lies a hidden world, ancient, alive, and still full of unanswered questions. If you found this mystery fascinating, imagine how many more secrets our planet is hiding, waiting to be discovered. Would you like to explore more unexplained places like this? Subscribe to the channel, and let's uncover the world's hidden mysteries together.